The AMA was founded in 1847 based on ethics, and I think if you have an education in ethics, you have the tools to step forward and help a lot of people.
When I come to an AMA meeting, the first thing I'm struck with is the level of discussion, the intellectual plane is so high. And I think I bring something to it, but when I'm finished, it's sort of like playing tennis. You always try to play with somebody who's a little bit better than you. And when I leave here, my game is improved, but I always take away more than I leave.
The AMA is there for a number of reasons, but they help us guide our way, help us find our way to practice appropriate medicine for our patients.
The AMA helps my patients specifically as a gynecologist who does a lot of urogynecology. I see the population of patients who are in that Medicare age range, and the advocacy that the AMA has provided in terms of fixing the Medicare reimbursement allows my patients to continue to see the physicians that they need to see.
How can we make a difference in terms of patient outcomes, especially when we talk about specific diseases that may be related to socioeconomic status, may be related to the fact that they come into the healthcare system and they may be treated differently?
I think that the more physicians can interact from a national perspective, I think the more that we can understand and find the common grounds that we need to present a more unified voice to the public and to our lawmakers.
Mentoring young people, whether they're medical students or whether they're high school students, is an honor and a responsibility that every physician should embrace.
My greatest mentor is Dr. Van Way, who is the chair of the surgery department at my medical school, who always believed in me, and even when I didn't believe in myself, he told me all the time, you can do it.
I always use AMA's principles of medical ethics guidelines.
We all speak in one voice and do whatever needed to be done for healthcare in this country.
Finding a mentor is about finding someone whom you want to emulate professionally as you develop. And the AMA has played a critical role in helping me find people whom I respect and want to emulate professionally.
When I saw the enthusiasm and the persistence that she used to advocate for these very tiny babies, it made me want to go into that specialty.